Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase freelance opportunities with Upwork step by step clearly. Start by creating a compelling Upwork profile. Choose a professional profile photo that represents you well. Write a clear and concise bio that highlights your skills and experiences. Include specific keywords related to your niche in your profile. List your top skills in your profile and ensure they match the services you offer. Set competitive rates based on your experience and the market demand. Take time to showcase your previous work in the portfolio section. Use project descriptions that clearly outline your contributions and the results achieved. Complete any relevant certifications or tests available on the platform. Start by applying to a variety of jobs that match your skills. Customize your proposals for each job by addressing the client's needs. Keep your proposals concise but detailed enough to convey your expertise. Ask relevant questions in your proposals to show genuine interest. Set realistic timelines and deliverables in your proposals. When you secure your first job, prioritize excellent communication with the client. Meet all deadlines and exceed expectations to build a strong reputation. Encourage satisfied clients to leave positive feedback after successful projects. Leverage your reviews to build credibility on the platform. Regularly update your profile to reflect new skills and experiences. Stay active on Upwork by browsing and applying for new jobs regularly. Network with other freelancers to share insights and opportunities. Join relevant groups or forums related to your freelancing niche. Offer competitive and unique services that differentiate you from others. Keep learning and adapting to market trends in your field. Utilize Upwork's resources for freelancers to enhance your knowledge. By consistently following these steps, you can increase your freelance opportunities with Upwork. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.